how to join channel membership on YouTube. Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how we can join a channel membership on YouTube and support our favorite creators. So let's just get started with the video. So we open up the YouTube application for that on our phone, and we can go to the channel. We can search for the creator that we want to support and open up the channel page. For example, let's say this is one of the channels, so you can search for the creator that we want to support and open up their channel page. Once we have opened it up, we can usually find a subscribe option that we can tap on. We can subscribe on it. And apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and tap on the join button next to the subscribe option usually. So if we have unsubscribed them, usually right beside the subscribe option, we can find a join button that we can tap on. And if you do not see it, the channel may not have membership enabled. So you can just go over and choose up a membership plan. Once it is confirmed, there are different kind of membership available, prices and perks. You can tap on the one that you want to get. Once it is done, you can choose your payment method such as Google Pay, credit card, and go ahead and confirm out the payment. And once the payment is successful, you will be a member, and depending upon the channel, the perks may include loyalty badges and many more. So when you head over the channel there, you'll be finding the membership videos differently. Custom emojis, member only post of videos, exclusive live chats as well, and usually the membership are monthly subscriptions which you can cancel anytime, and prices may vary by country as well. But usually that is it. It's super easy. If you want to join it, you just need to go ahead and purchase the plan, and that's how you can join the YouTube channel membership easily. And you can always check the perks before joining so you know what you're getting. So that's it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.